Ni hao. So today is a very special day because I'm shotgunning something that isn't a Four Loko. Today I'll be shotgunning the Sierra Nevada Brewing Company Cosmic Little Thing. This is 8%, and this one's about 5 fluid ounces less than the Four Loko, I believe. And it's only about 8% ABV, so I shouldn't be too drunk after this. I just about passed out after the Four Loko, so. And honestly, anything that's not a Four Loko is easy to shotgun, I think. I don't know. I really haven't shotgunned tall boys before until yesterday. So this is, I'm doing this to improve and for the love of the game, really. I don't think I've ever had one of these before. Not this particular one. I've had the big little thing and the hazy little thing before. Those are really good. I enjoy those. So I have pretty high hopes for this one because it has an interstellar wave of tropical flavor. And who doesn't love tropical flavor, right? Okay. I have had something to eat and something to drink. I finished off last night's beer that I had opened up. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with my life anymore. So I guess we'll get started, right? First impression of that's yeah, I'm not really a fan. It's not like the best or anything. It doesn't really no, I don't like that. It's like, it has everything that you would dislike about IPAs, like the bitterness. There's no real tropical flavors. Like there might be like an afternote of tropical flavors, but I don't really it's better than the standard Voodoo Ranger IPA, but no, it's not that great. I don't like that. I would never buy this. I would probably buy one of the other Little Thing IPAs. I guess here we go. Hopefully I don't puke. If I do, I'm already sitting down, so you should be able to get a good view of me fucking spitting up the carbonation or whatever. All right, let's fucking do this. Oh. 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 Woo. Oh man, that's pretty heavy on the stomach first thing in the morning. Oh boy. Okay, I can start talking now. The main thing that gets me is the carbonation and like the buildup in my stomach. It just kind of locks me up for a minute. But yeah, the flavor on that was not great. It was a serviceable IPA at 8%. That's fine. but I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like that's a good beer. I'd much rather get something with more flavor and lower ABV, like an Altstadt, a Hefeweizen, or a Kolsch. Wow. Yeah. Maybe I should start ranking these. I'll rank that one like a fucking... I guess their baseline's the Four Loko, so I think I'll rank that one like a 5 out of 10. That was a pretty decent beer. I'm probably not going to buy it again. However, if it's cold and I just got off of work, I'll drink it. Well, anyways, if you have any suggestions for what I should shotgun next, please leave them in the comments. I'm more than willing to go out and find whatever is recommended. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful rest of your morning or day. See ya.